Hello, I'm Evan with Rune Ninjas. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today's video is about discount rules for WooCommerce. Let's be honest, coupon codes are a pain. Your customers forget them, they abandon carts hunting for a working code, and you're stuck manually creating a new coupon for every single sale. What if your store applied the right discount automatically? No codes, no manual work, no lost sales. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set that up in WooCommerce. Stick around. First, we'll look at what discount rules are and how they work. Then, we'll see why they're often a better choice than traditional coupon codes. Finally, we'll walk through the steps to create your first discount rule. Let's get started.
What are discount rules?
So first, what's the difference between a coupon and a discount rule? A coupon needs your customer to do something, find the code, and type it in. A discount rule is different. It works quietly in the background. You set a condition, and when a shopper meets it, the discount applies automatically. Think of it as simple if this, then that logic. For example, if a customer buys 10 or more items, take 15% off. If they're a wholesale customer, give them a special rate. If the cart total passes $200, knock off $20. You can create bulk discounts, buy one get one offers, category sales, role-based pricing, and scheduled campaigns, all running on autopilot. Why this matters for your store. Now, why does this actually matter for your bottom line? First, fewer abandoned carts. When shoppers don't have to hunt for a code, they're less likely to bail at checkout. Second, bigger orders. Tiered deals like buy two, get 10% off gently nudge people to add more to the cart. That lifts your average order value. And third, way less work for you. Set up a Black Friday sale once, schedule it, and forget it. It starts and ends on its own. This is why more and more stores are moving away from coupons and toward automatic, rule-based pricing. It's efficient, it converts, and it scales. Step-by-step walkthrough. Step 1. Install and activate. From your dashboard, go to Plugins, Add New, Upload Plugin, drop in the plugin file, and hit Install, then Activate. Once it's active, you'll find a new menu under WooCommerce, Discount Rules. Step 2. Create a new rule. Click Add New Rule to create your first discount. The setup is simple and only takes a few minutes. You'll configure it in 4 parts. Choose the discount type, decide which products or customers the rule applies to with filters, set the discount value. Next, configure the conditions for your rule. Conditions let you control exactly when the discount is applied. You can base them on cart quantity, order subtotal, user role, purchase history, coupons, shipping details, and more. Step 3. Choose where it applies. In the filter section, you decide where the discount hits. Let's pick specific products and search for one. Let's search for a classic cotton t-shirt. Step 4. Set the discount value. Next, choose the discount type and enter its value. You can offer a percentage discount, a fixed discount per item, or a fixed discount for the entire cart. In this example, we're giving customers 20% off when they buy between 5 and 20 of the selected product. You can also give the discount a custom label, like Summer Sale, to make it easy for customers to recognize at checkout. Step 5. Add your conditions. Now, let's add a condition. Conditions control when the discount is applied. You can base them on the cart subtotal, user role, purchase history, coupons, product combinations, and more. In this example, the discount only applies when the cart subtotal is $50 or more. You can also limit how many times the rule can be used and set a start and end date for the promotion. Step 6. Save and enable. Flip the rule to enable, then click Save. That's it. Step 7. Test it on the front end. Now let's make sure it works. Open the product page and add it to the cart. Watch the price. It drops automatically. No coupon needed. The discount shows up right in the cart and carries through to checkout. And just like that, you've got your first automatic discount rule live. Quick tips and common mistakes. Before you go wild creating rules, 2 quick best practices. First, watch your rule priority. If you run several discounts at once, set the priority so they apply in the order you want. Otherwise, they can stack in ways you didn't expect. And second, always test your discount on the front end before a big sale goes live. Add the product to your cart, make sure the discount is applied correctly, and double check that any conditions work as expected. That quick 30-second test can save you from accidentally giving away the store or frustrating customers with a broken promotion. And that's how you set up discount rules in WooCommerce. Automatic, flexible, and way easier than coupons. If you'd like a hand setting this up, or you want custom WooCommerce and LearnDash solutions built for your store, head over to wooninjas.com. We'd love to help. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching.